Hello दर्शकों, आज हम आए Orient metro station and behind me you can see the mall, the Vasco da Gama Mall, and after this building there is a metro station and it's a huge Orient metro station in Lisbon. I'll show you the beautiful view from my left. Just wait a minute, I need to open the front camera. Woohoo! Romantic. Yeah, he came first time. I came twice.
I'm living in Lisbon and this is really nice.
Yes.
The
Twins Tower. Yeah, it's here. This one. Yes. It's a I don't know, but it should be the stadium for, of course, football. Yeah. And here is the I forgot the name of this. Wire train, wire car. Okay, let me show you the beautiful view here. This is the cat, the biggest cat in the world. And everything is made with the dustbins, the plastic we are throwing outside. And this is the art of this country, the beautiful art. Look at this. She looks horrible, but she's cute. Oh my god, what a view, man. So I was talking about this view. Ocean with park. और यहाँ पे बहुत सारे रेस्टोरेंट भी है.
Yeah, let's go to restaurant area.
Yeah. So by this lift we can go to the top and we can see the view. I don't know the ticket how much it is, but shortly we will find it. हम इतने कंजूस हैं, हम जाएंगे तो नहीं ऊपर. ये करना है मुझे, पर डर बहुत लगता है.
When you will sit on that, there is no way you can get down, right?
Yes, if we fall down.
You never fall.
I don't know swimming as well. Sad story. क्या व्यू है, बहुत ही शानदार है इधर, बहुत ही अच्छा है, सुकून है. ऐसा लग ही नहीं रहा है कि लिस्बन में है हम. क्यूट लग रहा है.
Different part of Lisbon.
Yes.
How we can miss that?
This is the iconic bridge in Lisbon. I don't know the length. It's really. पता नहीं इसका किनारा कहाँ है. अनंत है, अनंत. And this is the tower where you can go on the top and you can see the view. And he's my husband. Finally we are going from here क्योंकि हम लोग बहुत ही ज़्यादा टायर्ड हो चुके हैं और इतने अच्छे व्यू को छोड़ के जा रहे हैं. But we'll come back with our DSLR. Stay tuned for more. Bye bye. So guys, I can't explain how this view looks like. You can see on my Instagram. It's really amazing. And not about you want or not, but you should come here. You should visit this place. This is the Orient metro station and what a vibe, man. I love it. We are going to do the party at home. So we are leaving from here. But night view is also amazing. I'll show you if you will stay for a longer time. Bye bye. Take care. See you in the next video.